Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is a new bag video. You guys know I love my bags, and I've actually not really bought a bag. I bought a Vera Bradley off the online outlet that was very reasonable, and I bought a book bag. I mainly wanted the book bag for the cruise, but then I saw the bag and the wallet, and for the price, it was amazing, so I got it. But while we were on vacation, we didn't do a whole lot of shopping. I went to Pandora and I found this as well. So I'm going to pull up the bag and show you guys the bag as big as I am. There we go. There's the thumbnail. All right. I've already took the bag out because I am carrying it. I could not wait, guys. I could not wait. This bag was $89. The tags are in the living room. Shoot. It was priced over like $300, but you guys know how retail is. They jack these prices up. Consumers know that. I mean, we know that price is jacked up. That is the retail, you know, the manufacturer's retail. She's a Tiffany blue. Oh my gosh. I like a bag that has a shoulder strap and a handle so I can carry it in different ways. There is the Kate Spade logo. My only gripe is she doesn't have feet, but for $89, I mean, you know, the straps do detach if you don't, you know, want to use the shoulder strap. And it is very adjustable. Very. I have not touched it. I've not had a problem with the length on this. But if you wanted to do like a messenger crossbody style, there is a ton of extra here to let out. And I'm a big size girl. I've not had any problem with it on my shoulder. I've not tried it crossbody yet. But there is plenty of excess there to let out. The inside has two big compartments and they are magnetic, so they just close right up. That one's not, because I have a lot in this back pocket. See how the front one just closed right up? Two big pockets and one zip pocket. I don't have anything in that zip pocket. My only gripe with this bag is there's no like inner pocket, because that's where I like to put my phone, is like in an inner pocket, so I can just reach in and grab my phone and I know where it's at. So it is just sliding around down in here. That is my only gripe with this bag. As you can see, I have like a Coach wristlet because there's no inner pocket. I mean, there's this. I could put everything that's in that, probably in that, in here. And I may do that because you have things you don't want people like just looking down in your bag and seeing, like female products, feminine products, or, you know, like nail clippers, things like that, that you just don't want rattling around in your bag, or you don't want people to see what's in your bag. But those are my only two. I like a side pocket. You know, I like side pockets just to put little things in that I want to reach in and grab easily. And I know right they're in that pocket. That is one thing I love about the Vera Bradley. She usually has like 3 on each side. So yes, I have like a little wristlet in there. I have my name badge for work. I have some Altoids and icebreakers, tons of hair bows, a mask, my inhaler, because I don't have that anymore, a receipt for steakhouse. We went to a new steakhouse. Laureline lip gloss, a Bath & Body pumpkin cider hand cream, and some hand sanitizer. And then in the other side, a lip balm, another 2 hair bows. I'm going to take one of those out. My little peel container, which I've had for years, and I always keep Tylenol, Imodium, naproxen, aspirin in there. So that is the bag. Super cute, right? They had it in Tiffany blue. I think they had it in pink. And it seems like they had it in like a red. So I don't know if these were kind of like leftover from Valentine's Day. But they were like a daily special $89. So I grabbed the Tiffany blue. And you know me, I always like to grab a wallet. They didn't have an exact match for this wallet. They had one that was really close. It was a little bit more on the green side. But instead of going that route, I went with a pink. And I don't remember, I paid like $53 for this wallet. I don't remember what the retail was, but I did pay $53 or $54 for it. And it's not a zip. You know me, I like the little zip. This one, you just snap open. And inside there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 card slots plus your ID. Little clear thingy back here. Then you have a pocket here, a pocket here, a pocket here, and a pocket here, which I have some more cards, and I have a $5 bill. And there is a coin zip on the back, which has no coins in it. I've not even unzipped this thing yet. There we go. There is no coinage in here, and I have a bunch of coins on my dresser I need to put in it. So that is the cute little wallet that I got to carry with it. I've never had a wallet like this. It just was open like that, and you just snap it. So I'll let you guys know how this holds up. But just that easy. No zipper, nothing. Just a one little snap. She holds a lot. She's a good size bag. She holds a lot. I mean, that is a big bag. There's the bottom, so you can see like the footprint. It is very nicely stitched, very nicely done. Get up close to those handles. I don't know if this is leather or like a vegan leather. I really don't know. I will have to look that up. This, though, is getting on my nerves. All right, guys, that is it for my cute little purse. Let me know down below if you've been shopping, if you've been to the outlets lately, and we have not been to the outlets. There is a lot of shopping on Nassau. A lot of shopping. There is like every kind of designer jewelry brand you could think of. There is Gucci. There's like one section that's just, it is all high-end stuff. I didn't go into those. I wanted to, just to say I've been in Gucci or I've been in Louis Vuitton and looked around. But I didn't go into those. Let me put this back in there before I forget it. But yeah, there is a lot of shopping on Nassau Island. We had such a good time. That's all we did. We just got out and walked around because they have changed like the whole shore front where the boats dock. They have torn like all of that out, where the like the port, the customs and everything, where you would go through to get out of like the port, the fenced in area. All of that has been torn down. The pier has been like redone, and they're just building new, I guess, in there. And like, so that whole row of buildings and shops and stuff and restaurants that we saw when we were there last time, it's different. It's different. So we're looking for like the little restaurant that we eat at last time. I didn't see it, so I don't know if that got tore down or it was something different now. I don't know. But yeah, it was definitely different. But we had a ball. But that was the only shopping I did other than Pandora, and I will show you my Pandora in another video. I only bought 3 charms, and they're all Cruise Nassau related. But yeah, I only bought 3 charms on Nassau Island there in the Pandora. There is a Pandora on Nassau, so, and it's really easy to find. Really easy to find. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Let me know down below if you've been doing any shopping. Have you got a new bag? I'll see you guys on the next one.